In an age where diseases can travel faster than ever before, predicting the next global pandemic has become one of humanity's most urgent challenges. But what if artificial intelligence could warn us before outbreaks spiral out of control? Welcome to AI Predicts the Next Global Pandemic, where we explore how cutting-edge technology is transforming disease surveillance and why this matters more than ever. The last global pandemic caught the world off guard, exposing vulnerabilities in healthcare systems, supply chains, and international cooperation. Lives were lost, economies faltered, and trust in institutions wavered. Could AI have prevented, or at least mitigated, that crisis? Today, AI offers a new line of defense. By analyzing vast amounts of data, from genetic sequences to social media chatter, these systems can identify patterns humans might miss, detecting outbreaks days or even weeks earlier than traditional methods. This early warning capability allows governments and health organizations to act swiftly, deploying resources where they're needed most before infections spread uncontrollably. So how does AI predict pandemics? It starts with data, lots of it. Machine learning algorithms sift through millions of inputs, including hospital records, airline passenger flows, climate conditions, and animal migration patterns. One key focus is zoonotic diseases, those transmitted from animals to humans. AI tracks interactions between humans and wildlife, identifying hotspots where viruses like Ebola, Zika, or coronaviruses might jump species boundaries. Social media also plays a surprising role. AI scans platforms like Twitter and Reddit for mentions of unusual symptoms or clusters of sick individuals, flagging potential outbreaks long before official reports surface. Finally, AI combines all these factors into predictive models. These simulations forecast how pathogens might evolve, which populations are most vulnerable, and how quickly they could spread, all within seconds. AIs aren't just theoretical, they're already saving lives. In recent years, platforms like Blue Dot and Metabiota have successfully predicted outbreaks, such as Zika in Brazil and COVID-19 in Wuhan, often ahead of official announcements. On the ground, AI-driven alerts enable rapid responses. Mobile testing units deploy to affected areas, while public awareness campaigns educate communities about prevention measures. Vaccines and treatments are prioritized for regions flagged as critical. Even during active outbreaks, AI continues to play a crucial role. Contact tracing apps powered by machine learning help contain transmission, while robotic assistants sanitize hospitals and deliver supplies without risking human exposure. But harnessing AI for pandemic prediction isn't without ethical dilemmas. Privacy concerns loom large when algorithms monitor personal data, from health records to geolocation histories. Who owns this information, and who ensures it's used responsibly? Bias in AI poses another challenge. Models trained on incomplete datasets may overlook marginalized populations, leaving them disproportionately vulnerable to outbreaks. Transparent oversight mechanisms must accompany any deployment of AI surveillance tools. Balancing innovation with accountability requires collaboration. Governments, technologists, and citizens must work together to establish guidelines that protect rights while embracing progress. One of AI's greatest strengths is its ability to anticipate the unpredictable. Pathogens constantly mutate, evolving into strains that evade existing treatments. AI helps researchers stay ahead by simulating thousands of possible variants, guiding the development of vaccines and antiviral drugs. These preemptive efforts save invaluable time. Instead of scrambling after a new variant emerges, labs can stockpile countermeasures in advance, ensuring readiness for whatever comes next. Preparedness extends beyond research. Stockpiles of PPE, ventilators, and medications ensure quick responses when crises hit. AI optimizes logistics, routing supplies efficiently to minimize waste and maximize impact. Ultimately, AI doesn't replace human action. It enhances it. By providing timely warnings and actionable insights, these systems empower decision-makers to make informed choices. They remind us that resilience depends not just on technology, but on collective effort. Global pandemics demand global solutions. AI fosters collaboration, breaking down silos between nations, industries, and disciplines. Shared data drives shared success, proving that unity is our strongest weapon against disease. At its core, pandemic preparedness is about protecting people, not just physically, but socially and economically. AI provides the tools, but compassion fuels the response. The next global pandemic may be inevitable, but so too is our ability to fight back. With AI as our ally, we can turn uncertainty into opportunity, chaos into calm. Together we build a safer, healthier future for everyone. The question isn't whether AI will shape the battle against pandemics, but how effectively we wield it. Because ultimately, the best defenses aren't built by machines, they're forged by humanity working hand in hand with technology.